muffin. Ah, I win.
But sausage and egg muffin, I think, is in the morning. They are serving it in the morning.
Redeem via app or in restaurant.
Expiry 30/04. Oh,
Please apply.
until end of this month you have time.
Yeah, but oh yeah, because this is just morning, yeah. Woo, we win. I will get it maybe Monday, something like that.
Let's go.
Yeah, we won.
You should try to play in lottery.
Oh God, because I forgot. I saw it on TV. Kasi they have right now. Let's keep it. They have right now. See, game piece for details. Rules apply. You know. Alexander, we are outside guys kasi magpapa-haircut si Alexander and si Apam, pero nakalimutan niya ang importante niyang yung picture niya na mayroong ano gusto niyang haircut. Si Alexander also, I want him to have like some design magkapaganoon kasi nga may 1 week pa sila before the start will open again, so it's good time. Last na haircut ni Alexander last year and this year again para you know once a year lang kasi normally ako lang yung nagka-cut ng hair niya and of course dito hindi masyadong cut, diba? So at least now somebody can cut his hair talaga properly.
Imagine delicious crispy chicken nuggets. Go on, picture them now. Imagine if you could get 6 of them for just $2.49. How about 9 for just $3.49? Or 20 of them for just $4.49?
Oh, I think this police is the one who will, because may aksidente kasi doon guys. May accident doon. Oh, look. The police will go there now. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Maybe I can show you. Show you. Kasi accident siya. But it's not like super much actually. Look, there's nothing actually. But it's OD. Kaya siguro, I don't know. Yeah. What is that? So, what is that? Yeah. And the police will say, okay, what's the problem here? Oh my car! Look at my car. And there's a scratch. But what they do with it? I mean, there's no, yeah. Because if there's a scratch, okay, she will pay for the paint of it. Maybe that's what he wants. She wants, or he wants. Paint my car. Because I don't like any scratch. Ako sana yung magdadrive, pero gusto niya pa magdrive.
Ako sana magdadrive, bata.
It's good to walk today. Sabi nila may bagyo, but it's not. There's nothing. Dapat pala try ko yung gamitin yung isa kong sunglasses. Kung maganda ba. Yung ating outfit today. Behave yan si Alexander pag nasa sasakyan.
Bakit na sa'yo?
Very behave boy. Who will get it? You, yeah? Because my shoes is hard to remove. Huh?
When we are old, we can live here.
Yeah. At least near for Alexander to visit us. Alexander, when mommy and daddy become old, you will visit us? Me and daddy. When you become big, you go somewhere, yeah? And then will you visit us and give us food? No, when we become so old, we cannot walk. Will you cook and clean the house for us? Huh? You want to think? You're not sure? When mommy and daddy cannot cook and don't have energy anymore. Alam nyo, kahapon si Alexander, binigyan niya ako ng strawberry Actimel. He said, it's for you, mommy. Oh, the door is so cute. Oh God, guys. Stop ko muna to kasi nahihilo ako. Hi guys. Dito yung aming bahay pala dito. Ito yung mga bahay area namin. Saan?
A clean picture, please. What is hey? Hey, dance. Yes, dance. Hey, dance.
What happened to here, Alexander? Did you fall down? You have some bruise there. Huh? Did you fall down?
No, I didn't put that. Oh, that's the white one they put on.
No, this one here. You have a bruise here. Like old one. Like 5 days ago. Or
That was the fall.
yeah, why?
But I was baby the fall. That is for you to be big.
Okay.
I'm gonna park here around the corner.
Yeah.
I don't want to park. And then
Mga bagong gupit.
carbs. Space.
Oh, because holiday.
So I have to find
Wow. Over here.
okay.
Punta muna kami sa kabilang bahay, guys, para i-check natin. Oh, so windy. Oh, my God. So windy.
See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look, si Alexander, he got these toys, his blocks, sa other house. Kasi nga, gusto nang mag-ano. Meron siyang blocks doon sa kabila, pero konti lang. So, he wants it to have more. Nakapark kasi kami malayo-layo sa bahay. Ito yung problema dito sa kabilang bahay, guys. It's because wala kaming sariling parking. Nakapark lang kami sa street. Yun yung problema. Mahirap pag walang parking kasi sometimes like especially busy like Sunday night or Friday night, mga ganun. Basta may mga time na full yung parking, so nakapark kami dito sa kabila, sa other side. Give me, I help you, Alexander. Okay, use two hands. Use two hands. Yan, kinuha ko na guys kasi mabigat siya in fairness. So, malayo-layo kami nag-park. Mga siguro 1 minute. 1 minute, yeah. Or 2 minutes. I don't know. Hindi ako magiling sa mga ganyan eh. So, kinuha ko. Ang bigat. Oh God. Si Alexander kasi gusto niya mag-run kay Apam. Dahil si Apam nasasakyan na. Ang ganda ng panahon. If you notice, nagpalit pala ako ng trouser. Nagpalit ako ng black kasi nga natagusan ako. Natagusan ako sa aking kasi may period ako. Kaya yun. Pero okay lang kasi may mga damit naman ako sa dito na bahay na to. Nandito si Afam.
Let's put it right down there.
Okay. Okay, go. Yeah. Come on. Inside. Lagay ko lang si Alexander sa car seat.
Good afternoon, just gone 4 o'clock. It's Hearts Feel Good Weekend. It's Saturday afternoon.
Maybe
Leading into
McDonald's?
Saturday night with
No.
me, Mark Wright. Feel Good tunes.
I can give you a burger.
Ready?
McDonald's?
Wait.
Whatever that is you're
Yeah,
doing.
yeah, okay.
Alice DJs.
Wait, this guy, babe. Come here and then go there.
You want McDonald's, Alexander?
Yeah.
Yeah? He's checking, right? Maybe like sometimes mistake, yeah? I think, yeah, mistake. This is in the over the phone. Punta kami ng McDonald's. Kasi gutom sila. Ako hindi ako gutom. I don't know why. You want we sit down there?
We can.
Yeah. Because at least Alexander can write something. Ang pangit ng aking suot. Pero ang pangit na aking suot guys, pero bahala na. Kasi dito wala naman silang pakialam sa suot mo. Kasi hindi ko gusto yung aking suot now. It's because white, black, tapos cream. Ay, iba-iba. Gusto ko kasi yung same everything. Yeah?
I didn't see the other boat stop.
Already, yeah.
Yes, there's nowhere to land it over there.
Okay, let's go. Guys, and remove your
But
seatbelt.
I see I want to sit outside.
Sit outside. You want babe? Outside, yeah. Okay. Just we get some coloring pens. Okay. What's your order, Alexander?
Big photo.
Good. They have regular mango and pineapple smoothie.
Oh, really?
You want this one instead? Hmm? Hmm? Maybe he doesn't like pineapple.
Oh, wait. Can I see the milkshake? What is that? Maybe just milkshake. Made vanilla milk. Okay, no need coffee, just milkshake for me.
You want milkshake, yeah?
Yeah.
Which one?
Which one is good?
I had last time I had banana.
Banana, is it
Did you
good?
like it?
I like it, yeah, I guess. Maybe the same.
Strawberry chocolate.
I don't know with you. Just choose and then. Sander, look at me. What tayo nito? Sander, put in your head.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You can take it.
Sander, madami kasi sila ditong arts. Oh. Man. Let's put it in your head first. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Thank you. Tuloy yung order ko.
fleshy.
It's good.
Yeah, this is so cold.
So good this one. Ito yung gusto ko sa McDonald's kasi they have activities for kids. So the kids will not get bored. Is it for him, the two? Or no, one for you, yeah? You ordered two for him?
For us.
Ah. Two hands. Let me get the onions.
You can play games.
Yeah. We can order that one local winning sip and maybe you will win money, you know? Oh, I think I can. Look, let's see, maybe we win. See games pieces for details, rules play. Winner, sausage and egg muffin. Wow, I win.
But sausage and egg muffin, I think, is in the morning. They are serving it in the morning.
Redeem via app or in restaurant.
Expiry 30/04. Oh, until end of this month you have time.
Yeah, but oh yeah, because this is just morning, yeah. Woo, we win. I will get it maybe Monday, something like that.
Let's go.
Yeah, we won.
You should try to play in lottery.
Oh God, because I forgot. I saw it on TV. Because they have right now. Let's keep it. They have right now. See, game piece for details, rules apply. You know that you can.
Look,
Yeah, wow. Look at.
you want to try?
Okay, let's keep it this one.
Maybe with
Yeah,
bacon?
this one, yeah.
Did you say you want to be my flashlight? Okay, I'll be my flashlight. You what?
Good. Yeah. So good. Ito yung gusto ko sa McDonald's, yung mga ano sila, something. So something.
You're the one you have.
Yeah. And sometimes money. You know? This time just this one, yeah? But sometimes we can win money. 100 pounds.
Oh yeah.
Hey, the same bottle we have. Not good then.
Okay. Remember, because I'm full actually.
What? 3 bottles? Are you okay though? Do you understand in this row? Yes.
Sige.
Tingnan nyo, ang dami pa. Meron pa sila nakalagay dito. Ay. Take me home to continue fun. And you need to continue this one, Alexander, at home, okay? And make it like so nice. Yeah?
Want more? In the car, yeah? In the car. Hmm?
Oh God.
Oopsie.
Nothing? Yeah? Okay. That's it. Because I want to take this. You take it?
Yeah.
Okay. You can do it in the table. Basta kami guys. Yan, dinala namin yung para color. Yeah. Yan. Open tayo ng door. Thank you, babe. Tapos siya na din yung kay Alexander. Papa, ito si Apam. Sweet. Sometimes lang may ano, yung parang ano siya, yung parang wala sa mood, pero pag nasa mood siya, very sweet din talaga. Car seat, seat belt, babe. His seat belt. His seat belt. His seat belt. Okay, so it's good. We can go out now. We can go to beach anytime.
Except the days that I need to be in the gym.
Gym, how you call it? Gym fanatic? You're gym fanatic, babe. How about I do it also? Okay, next time I will exercise. Yeah, it's really spring because the flowers are. Maybe I should. Alexander, maybe you have to plant today. Okay? Busog na si Alexander, matutulog to mamaya. Kasi may mga seeds ako, flowers, sunflower, and others, so I need to plant it then.
So what is your plan for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, rest, and then Monday we go to IKEA.
Maybe Tuesday.
Tuesday we go? Okay. I will check my appointment. And then Wednesday we can go to my appointment and then train. Wednesday, yeah?
Wednesday?
Wednesday I have appointment.
What appointment?
Nandito na kami sa bahay, guys. Kanina, gusto pa sana ni Afam na mag-walking around or eat sa pub after. Sabi ko, no na. And then at the same time, walking. I'm not in the mood of walking, guys. Kasi nga, first day ng aking period. So, medyo masakit yung aking katawan. But not super masakit. A little lang. So, yun. Chinek lang naman namin ang bahay. Sobrang full ko. And then now, ilalabas ko siguro itong nilabhan ko or not. I'm not so sure. Maganda yung panahon. I-open ko itong window. Open ko yung window. Kasi, ayan, para makita nyo naman. It's really nice weather. Oh, wow. Oh my God, look at that. Magpa-plant ako mamaya. I-drill ko lang muna siya para yung water niya. Kasi hindi siya nadi-drain. And then, oh my God, ang dami kong labahan. I mean, dami naming labahan dito sa ano ba tawag dito? Living room. So, I need to clean, guys. Maglilinis nga muna tayo dito. Para naman hindi nakakahiya.